start using the BL Skaner application, first install it from the Google Play Store and then register an account. On the registration page, the user enters data, such as name, surname, email address, and password. After approval of the registration form, an activation link will be sent to the provided email address. Clicking this link activates your account and allows you to configure the application. The BL Skaner application allows you to synchronize and complete orders from the base linker system. To purchase a license, please contact us. We will issue a proforma, and after payment, we will grant you access. Or visit the online store of our distributor, BAJ Soft, and pay for your order electronically. After receiving the payment, the account will be credited immediately for the appropriate number of days. A 30-day and 90-day license is available, as well as a 10-day free trial version after registering on ARPAT-PL. You must purchase as many subscriptions as you have devices. Otherwise, the time will be reduced proportionally. Logging into the BL Skaner application is possible in two ways. By default, the user can log in by entering his email address and password. Alternatively, there is an option to log in using a QR code. It must be generated in the configuration.